Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan. You know, hard times are here and they're here to stay for a little while. So this video is going to be how you can overcome hard times. And I'm referring to a book called The Art of War by Steven Pressfield. And this is an amazing book because it talks about the 3 things you can do to overcome your inner resistance. And that's all that's stopping you is your inner resistance. All you need to do is focus on achieving something and keep your attention on it. So here's the 3 lessons that he teaches us about overcoming your inner resistance. First of all, he says that you're going to run into resistance. You're always going to have resistance there, especially internally, because you have old memories, old experiences, old beliefs, old habits that are not your own. And the key here is not to butt your head against the resistance. Instead, pick a point that you want to go to, a goal, something you want to achieve, a dream, and then find somebody who can help you stay accountable. Could be your spouse, could be a friend, could be a partner, a mastermind partner. But as long as you have somebody that's going to help you remain accountable and committed and get to work, then you will achieve your goal. So that's number 1. Don't go against the resistance, so don't go upstream, go downstream. Number 2, like I mentioned earlier, is to have a dream. Make your dream your full-time job. That's number 2 to overcoming the hard times and challenges. Make your dream a full-time job. Always be focusing on your dream a little bit every day. And the special times every day are the best times to focus on your dreams every day are morning and evening. The reason being is you are going off to sleep. When you're going off to sleep, that's when you're going to dream world. When your conscious mind is shutting down and you're going into theta, which is where you're going to dream. So that's one of the best times. And the second best is when you're waking up, when you're just coming out. You can think about the things you dream about and get into your emotions. If you can get into the emotions, think about something that was emotional in your life and then think about your dreams. That's the best way to do it. And number 3 is in terms of your dreams, is to focus on something that you can do to change the world. When you focus on something that you can do to change the world, that will bring appreciation into your heart. You'll feel that, you'll feel good about yourself, and you won't be so focused on you and your challenges. You'll be focusing on what's going on in other people's lives and how you can make a benefit to them. It could be in your community or with your family or with someone that you care and love about or something that you care and love about. So those are the 3 ways to overcome hard times according to Steven Pressfield's The Art of War. It's an amazing book. Don't go against resistance. It doesn't work. Swimming upstream is hard. Go downstream instead. Go downstream, down the river instead of up. It's very hard when you do that all the time, and it's exhausting. So those are the suggestions that I have for you today. If you like The Art of War, you can check it out. And as always, I'd like to say, if you're not checking this video on my YouTube channel, head over there and have a look. I have other videos like this that will help you become your highest and best self. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.